Nigel, thanks very much for that. Well, let's get in a technical check now on the markets. We have Jay Thakkar joining in to tell us what he's tracking today. Jay, hi, welcome to the show. Both in terms of the frontline indices as well as key stocks, what would you recommend today?
Hi, very good afternoon to you, Ekta, and good afternoon to you, Nigel. Whereas, as far as Nifty is concerned, I think the kind of profit booking which we have seen that started from yesterday, Nifty has filled its opening gap, and I think on the downside it has got a good support around the levels of 14,940 now on the spot. So that is the key level to watch out for going forward in today's expiry session. If 14,940 levels holds on a closing basis, then there can be some bounce back again back to 15,000, 15,050 levels. But failing to hold 14,940, then I think it would be again a trend reversal, and thereafter we can see Nifty again moving towards the lower end of the range, that is around 14,400 to 14,500 zone. So Nifty has been trading within this band of 15,100 on the upside to 14,500, and it has just reversed from the upper end of the range. Whereas Bank Nifty is concerned, I think that is looking quite somewhat better than Nifty as of now, and I think that is one index which can help Nifty to move higher from these levels. Otherwise, metals are really putting pressure on Nifty, and till we don't see a real recovery from metal pack or else the support from Bank Nifty, Nifty would continue to consolidate or trade with a negative bias. However, I have two buy recommendations. One is from the pharma sector, and one is from the cash segment. So my first buy recommendation is on Lupin. Now, Lupin seems to have completed a clear three-wave corrective pattern on the daily charts, and it seems to have completed its fourth wave. From here on, we will see Lupin inching towards the levels of 1250 to 1270 in the short term. So one can buy this in anticipation of a fifth wave on the upside. One can place a stop loss at 1190. So the risk reward is absolutely in favor of the bulls. There is a risk of around 20 points and a target of around 40 to 60 points. So the risk reward is 1:2 to 1:3. And we did see Lupin, in fact, providing a good breakout from a cup and handle pattern with an increase in volumes and clear buy crossover in its momentum indicators. The second buy recommendation is on Ramakrishna Forging, that is RK Forge, and that has provided a very good breakout from a rectangular pattern with a clear increase in its volumes. If you look at the weekly chart, the last week volumes were clearly higher than its almost 1 year weekly average. So that's a clear price volume breakout. And the momentum indicators have also started to provide a good buy crossover on the weekly as well as the monthly charts. So it's a good short term as well as a positional bet. One can buy this for a short term target of around 680 to 720 with a stop loss of 610 on a closing basis. However, my positional target for the medium term would be around 850.
Okay, all right, Jay, thanks a lot for joining in fact, giving us